Hey, welcome here. Video service information. Looking at a 2016 Dodge Ram today. The vehicle's got about 68,000 miles on it. The customer is complaining about a shake. Looking at the front differential on it, and we noticed that the CV shafts have excessive play on the stub shafts, with the male stub portion sticking beyond the seal. Externally, we often have a water and a corrosion issue on the splines, causing them to strip out over time. You can see in the video the excessive play. Hey guys, video service information here. I got another Dodge Ram today. Front differential. Seen in my previous videos there, the inner stub shafts strip out and it causes excessive play here in CV shafts, so I recommend a front diff and 2 new CV shafts on this. This is the passenger side here. Left side's doing the same thing. With the CV shaft pulled back, you can see the excessive corrosion on the splines, and they're stripped out really thin, causing all that movement on the CV shaft. So usually when you go to get this bad, you're gonna have to replace 2 CV shafts and a front differential. Unfortunately, through Chrysler, only the left side stub shaft is available for the front differential. The right side inner stub shaft is not available, and you have to get a complete front differential for it. Dorman does have the right side stub shaft, but it's a little shorter. It's made for the older Dodge Rams. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.